Hey, what's happening? What's going on? Today I'm working on a Tesla engine. I'm gonna just tear it apart, the old one. Let's go do it. Check this out. This is what it looked like up close. I'm getting ready to tear this bad boy on down. Take all the stuff off of it. Figure out what it is and what it ain't. First thing I took off of here was this right here. This came off of here right there. That was right there. Take that off of there and look at that. We got all kind of good looking stuff on there. We're gonna take this apart too, but let's start working on the big part first. Let's see what we got behind this cover. Couple ears. They look a little ugly in there. I'm gonna take it all the way apart. Take it all the way apart and let's see what we got here. Look like we got some bolts right here on this side, but listen. Spin it around a little bit. I'm gonna take off this, look like a cooler. Let's get this thing off of here real quick. Uh-oh. Gotta grab the extension, that ain't working. Okay, let me go get the right tool. All right. It's just a cooler. Cooling in, cooling out. Let's take off these bolts right here. All of these big bolts. And base right on out of there. See what it looked like. Crazy thing is, as you work on these Teslas, you'll see that they're not real complicated. They actually have some really good service guides that's free. So it's a pretty interesting car. This bad boy kind of heavy. Let's see how that comes out. That ain't just coming off. Let's see what's heavy. Let's see. There it goes, coming off. This is the actual motor here. go get a screwdriver so we can pry it apart. See what's all up in here. They make it seem like these cars are so special and you can't do nothing to it, but I disagree with that. I say it's just nuts and bolts. A little bit of fancy programming, maybe. I don't know. Seems like I'm gonna need 2 hands to get that off of there. Stuff. I think mainly it's so heavy I can't really pick it up. It's coming apart though. Big time. So what was wrong with this is probably the reason why it won't come apart. Because it was grinding in the original car. It was grinding bad. It's still kind of coming apart though. There it goes. Yeah. This bad boy is super heavy. Look at that. So that's what hooks up to the high voltage battery right there, these 3. Is that 3-phase? Maybe. I don't know. I'm gonna sit it on the ground. Let's keep going. What's the next part? Next part is gonna be these screws around here like that. So on this side. It's got a oil filter in it, so it actually has an oil filter. The oil pump goes right there. This is the oil pump right here. Look at that. This is a regular looking electronic oil pump. Goes right in here. That's where it used to go. Pop all these screws off this bad boy. Let's see if that's it. Maybe it. Let's give it a try. There it is. Should come apart. Maybe another screw in it or something. Let's see if it's something at the bottom. Oh, this ain't that. Oh, yeah, there's one right there. Screw right there. So, what was broke on this one was the differential, the inside. It was all busted. Look at that. That baby is grinded out. Look at the gears on the inside of it. Kind of see them a little bit. It's coming apart pretty easy. Might need a bigger pry bar now, but look at all the pieces falling out of it. That back half don't want to come out. Well, that was a bad bushing. Look at that. I wonder if that bushing had anything to do with it going bad. They won't even turn. There it goes, a little bit more. Let's go on this side and pop it out. It's sticking real bad. That bearing is starting to come out a little bit. Maybe I can get in here and pry it like that. Oh yeah, there we go. Get in here. Pry that puppy apart. There you go. I got something else. Some kind of seal. This thing's just going to the scrapyard. I'm just tearing it apart. I did the job already. The car done. He's driving it. There it is. Look at that. Dang. Oh, it's falling. Okay, it's nothing in that piece. There's nothing really in that piece, but look at that gear. That's the gasket seal. Other half of the case. That's where it grinded it out at. Look at that. Look at all that. The gears just sheared it off. So what started this whole problem was the fluid got low. The oil was low inside of here. Customer did not know he needed oil. And that was the end product of it. Look at that. Look at those gears. Look at that. Dang. Look at all that down inside. I don't know if you can see that, but let's take some more stuff off of it. Oh, look at that. Look at that right ate all that up. Oh, look at this, some sort of filter. Some kind of filter, maybe. Let's go this way with it. Look at that. Wow. That thing was shot. I mean, it tore it up bad. Grinded it up. Look at those gears. Let's take some more screws off this bad boy. Still a couple in there. Might as well take the rest of them out. See, these might be real tight. Let's see if they're even the same size. Yeah, those are a little bit bigger. Well, let's go get the tools. Let's keep going. All right, take out the rest of these. Let's get a little closer on these babies. I have to go pull out the... Yeah, it's probably stuck now. But that's it. That's what the inside of a Tesla motor looked like. Yeah, that was good. That's still a good piece. But not with all that metal built up in there. Probably had to clean it and re-grease it, but still looking halfway decent. All of it's going to the scrap pile. This one probably come right out too. That's stuck in there pretty good. Maybe if I was to tap it, it probably would come out, but that's it. Thanks for watching. Peace.